Yep, so guys, I was right. It's finally happened. So I was just shopping around on websites like Lazada and Carousel. Now, these are e-commerce sites which are very popular in Singapore. And I came across a few Marshall Major 3 headphones that seemed rather cheap. They weren't priced like ridiculously cheap, but they were like maybe $50 to $70 less than the retail price. So it got me wondering, and I went to investigate. And true enough, I found a website which sells fake Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphones. Now, this website is based in China, and this particular seller, not only does he have fake Major 3 Bluetooth headphones, he has a whole collection of fake Marshall headphones. Now, I'm gonna just pull the website onto the screen. Too bad I don't have my laptop with me, so I have to do this in post. As you can see, although Marshall retails the Major 3 Bluetooth for $149 on their official website, this guy over here is selling them for 83 USD if you purchase them in bulk. Per piece they cost about 100 USD, but come on. Hey, you know what? Maybe some of you may still feel skeptical about what I'm saying. Perhaps he is selling original Marshall headphones just at a really affordable price. Well, let's look at his other listings. As you can see, this seller here is selling really cheap Marshall Major 2 Bluetooth headphones and Marshall earbuds. What are the chances that these are originals? And what are the chances that this seller sells original Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphones? Now, I've made several videos in the past comparing real versus fake Marshall headphones. Unfortunately, this time, I'm not able to do it yet, but as soon as I get my hands on a pair of fake Major 3 Bluetooth headphones, I will be doing such a video. So guys, please shop safely and always buy from reputable dealers. And if in doubt, you can always contact Marshall directly on their website, marshallheadphones.com, because these sellers, I kid you not, they are out to get you. These fake sellers, they will lie to your face and tell you, hey, these are original OEM Marshall headphones straight from the factory, and Marshall will support the warranty. Buy! And when you cannot resist because the price is simply too attractive, that's when they've got you. And I'm not kidding at all. After I made those fake versus real Marshall headphones videos, which are super popular because this is apparently quite a big problem, so many people have come to me with their personal stories. Aaron, this guy told me that these headphones came from Marshall's factory direct. That's why they are so cheap. Oh, and this one. Aaron, this guy told me that these are original Marshall headphones rejected from the factory because they had some manufacturing defect. That's why Marshall is clearing off at a cheaper price. Bullshit! In fact, if you go to night markets in Thailand, these are the exact same arguments they will use for fake Louis Vuitton, Gucci and Chanel bags. I seriously despise these people. These people who know for a fact that these are fake products, yet lie to your face and tell you they are real so that they can make a quick buck. I despise them. I despise them even more than the people who made these products. I have no problems at all with sellers who say this. You know what? These products are not originals. They are copies of the original. They may look the same, but they are not the same. However, they are much more affordable and they are a budget alternative. Because there's no misleading involved here, it's all transparent, and if the customer decides to buy from them, I can totally get it. But for these people who know that these are fake products and they lie to their customer's face to get them to fork out their hard-earned money, these people should all go to hell. So guys, fake Major 3 Bluetooth headphones, they are reality now. Spread the word, tell your friends about this video, and don't let any one of these fake sellers get away with it. Because guys, if we can even prevent one buyer from being deceived by these fake sellers, it will be totally worth it. Making this video will be totally worth it. So guys, spread the word, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel for more updates on fake Marshall headphones, join the resistance, and I will see you again in the next video. Okay? Face palm out.